Okay, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna teach you how to take apart your controller. You can see mine is, it's kinda different, I guess. You can see over here, oh shit, I should probably take all them pieces out. Anyways, you can see over here that my other controller's got this. So, this is what it looks like without the guts in it and stuff. It's just black on this side, and then it's pink on that side, so it's pretty much black and pink. And yeah, so anyways, today, oh yeah, and there's gonna be guts like this, and anyways, so I should probably, maybe I should put the thing back. Oh shit, I can't, I'm not. Sorry, I just gotta, can't do it, my hands are all sweaty. I just got to round 49 in zombies. Oh well, fuck it. Anyways, this is pretty much like the dashboard and shit. You want to make sure that everything on this is all, you know, like the same. You can take these off. That's what I'm gonna do. Taking those off. See this is all custom designed. Custom designed. You know, it's just everything is just custom designed and shit. It's amazing. I like it. Oh, and as I was saying, I made a video. I forgot to upload it, but I was trying to get this part off, but on the other on the regular pink one, I broke it in half. Actually, I don't care. I mean, well, I kind of do care, you know, just 'cause now it looks fucking weird, but I mean, whatever. I really don't care. Anyway, let's just put that part to the side. So, what you're gonna need to do is remove the battery pack. I have it out there, I think. Anyways, you can see where that little hole is. That's where a screw is. You're gonna have to like poke a little hole in there. And the thing you're gonna need is this. I don't know what it is. I think it's a solid wrench or something. Am I tightening it? Yeah. I took this apart the other day because I was gonna mod it. Actually, to be honest, I was gonna make a mod, but uh, I didn't want to because, well, I mean, I'm gonna make a mod, but it's hard for me to do it by myself. So I'm just gonna, this weekend I'll probably make a video of my new modded controller. Anyway, so there we go. Just take it off. slowly but surely pop it off. Ooh. It didn't break. Anyways, so after you get the screws out, you're gonna have the back cover. You're gonna want to put that where you can remember it. I mean, not that hard. And then you're gonna take this, pretty much pop it out of places, and it should pop right out. Second thing you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to take these two, lift them up, and then pretty much pick this, or pick up the thing, and oh, I don't understand. Oh, I got it. I got it. I'm just showing you guys how to make, or like say that, or this is right now this is, or was a custom controller at one point, but now I put these back on. We got the trigger, set that to the side, and pretty much dump all these out. Pop this off. I actually don't remember, but sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just trying to get this shit done. Anyways, in a second I'm going to show you how to take out the D-pad. Not even that hard, it's actually technically, I say technically pretty easy. It's fucking really easy, like. Bam. So this is what the D-pad looks like. Oh, fuck you. Anyways, another thing you're gonna want to do is take this little piece out. That's for the home button, or this button. Oh. So, pretty much I took apart my controllers just to show you like how to pretty much put them back together. Pretty much the only reason why I did it. Oh shit. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's in there. Then you're gonna take those two buttons and push them down, and then bam, it's in. Okay, so then like so yeah, this part's done. Just gonna set this over there. Second part you're gonna need to do is, mine is custom. So as I'm saying this, yours won't look like this unless you got a custom black and pink one like I do. Is actually, I wasn't gonna make it black and pink, but it was the only colors they had. So anyway, so this is what you're gonna want to do. Hang on, let me actually put that back in. You can pretty much see all that pink. All you're gonna do is want to go like this. Watch, kind of, bam, pulls right off. You're gonna want to do the same thing, same one, or another one. See, and then we got the pink on pink right here. Then you should be able to figure it out. I mean, it just lines up easily. If you got any issues, I mean, if you have issues, I know you have issues. I mean, I know you do. There we go. We got the top part on. It's not fully on, I guess. Anyways, yeah. So then, those are your two, like, lethal grenade and or frag grenade and like stun and flash and shit. Anyways, get back and subject. Yeah. Pretty much just putting this shit together if you're not watching. And you probably should be paying attention. Audio slow mo. Okay, so in order to take out the D-pad, you're gonna need a screwdriver like this. Phillips head maybe. Small one. And then there's gonna be two screws, you'll see them. And then once you take them out, these will be the two pieces that are left over. The D-pad and what locks it in place in the controller. Then on my life, it is extremely hard to get the screws out. Not in these, it's actually pretty easy, but I mean for the controller if you've never done it before. Or I mean if it's a new controller, you know. It's fucking hard as shit. I mean, it's whatever. So I got all these, like literally, I got all this shit all over the place. So, Home Depot motherfucker drop it hard like a ball. I honestly don't even know what the fuck I'm doing at this moment, cause yeah. Take a shit and urine on the toilet bowl, bitches. Pussy ass nigga. And if you do not know how to put the buttons in, then I suggest yo dumb ass fucking take a picture of the buttons before you take this shit apart. But I mean, it's wrong buttons, dude. And if you, I mean, truly, I swear to God, if you don't know how to put the buttons back in, like, why'd you buy an Xbox in the first place? Like, I don't even play PS3 anymore, but I've taken a controller apart a few times from PlayStation, and, like, the first time I looked at it, we fucking memorized that shit forever. 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 Which one looks the most to you? What goes right there? What goes right there? Oh shit, I'm gonna have to put, oh this shit. Shit, dude, it's like the fourth time this shit's happened so far. So this is gonna be hard, I'm not trying. Actually, it's not gonna be as hard as I thought it would be. Anyways, pretty much, you know, you're gonna wanna put in all them buttons like they were normally in, if you took out the D-pad, I did, just so, you know, show you guys. You know, you're gonna wanna put that back in there. The screws are super fucking tiny, but I get nervous, dude. Literally, I always think that if I can lose a screw, not be able to find it, and I'm like, fuck. I mean, to be honest, you don't need two screws for this to stay in. You only need one, but You gotta be that safe guy, you know what I'm saying, nigga? Wrong fucking movie again. It's gonna show you the outcome. Is that a big problem? That's a fucking big problem. I don't know if I should wait or just put it on now. Probably should just put it on. Hold on. Pretty sure this is the way to do it. Alright, so this is. Oh, that's why. Ooh, we got like all that shit. Okay, it is. Alright. But yep, okay, now we can. Like, I was fucking wondering, I was like, dude, it's weird. But, unless when I was taking it out from the pink one, a little piece of the. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, a little piece of the. I hate explaining shit because half the time, I know, like, what it is. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to think for a second to make sure I didn't miss anything. So anyways, that's it, guys. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. I think I need to put it. Fuck, I tell you. Damn it, that snapped in the plate. I fucking hate that shit. You know what? Oh yeah, that's why I forgot something. I knew I did. Let's go ahead and put it in Tater. What I forgot, this little piece. But yeah, dude, you're always gonna want to remember that. Holy shit, is this a long ass video? It's taken me quite some time to fucking. Damn it! As I was saying, it's taken me quite some time to fucking do this. But, and in the end, it's all worth it, because either you, you know, get your controller back. I just want an all-out black one, black controller. Before you. Anyways, and pretty much you just like the screw down there. Oh. screwed on there, and then pretty much, just make sure you don't put it so tight that you strip it. So, like, I've done on a few controllers. I don't even really put it tight anymore because, like, I only put it, like, tight enough where, you can still... Okay, so... when you're putting the screws back in, my opinion, I would, do it over something hard, or, like, I wouldn't do it over your pants or whatever, like, I don't know, that sounds weird, but I mean, just so if you do miss the screw, you'll be able to pick it up and you won't have to search, like, an hour to find it, even though you looked at it, like, a few times and you just kept on thinking, oh, no, that's not in, it's because, really, it's the screw. And then last but not least, the last screw. This is actually a long ass video. Hopefully it'll upload. It's gonna be like a 30-minute video, dude. Anyways, so then you're gonna want to take your battery pack, put it in, and so there it is. Put the controller back, just to all black. And it looks gorgeous. And, yeah, so I'm gonna upload this real quick, and then there's gonna be part 2 of putting back the pink controller back together. So, yep, I'll be back in about 5 minutes because I'm gonna go have a cigarette too. So, deuces.